So pumpkin bundt cake, you know, it could have been a lot worse. I've never made a bundt cake before, but I like pumpkin and ginger together and something else in there for some tartness. I'm calling mine a pumpkin bundt cake with a ginger blackberry caramel and snickerdoodle crunch. So I have my wet ingredients in the mixer, some eggs, water, olive oil, some brown butter, and I want to put the pumpkin in as well, but I'm actually cooking the pumpkin so it dries out a little bit.
I like a 50-50 of butter and oil in my cake because you want the butter flavor, but you want the moisture of the oil.
Then I'm mixing my dry ingredients in a bowl, all-purpose flour, light brown sugar, baking soda, baking powder, some pumpkin spices, and some cinnamon. I pour the batter about 2/3 of the way up the bundt pan. And I'm gonna get them in the oven right away. And then I'm cooking sugar with some fresh ginger.
What's the strategy here?
I'm gonna make a ginger caramel sauce. What? What?
Hold it.
None of that Bobby touch, none of that spice, none of that heat.
There's gonna be some of this.
That's the touch that I like from you, Bobby.
Bourbon,
The
I
little
might
bourbon.
cook with it, I might drink with it, I might do both.
All right, I like your style. I'm excited. 32 minutes, chef. Bobby is predictable. But hey, you know what? The ginger, the pumpkin, the bourbon. If I didn't really want him to lose, I'd get excited.
The caramel's cooking, and I add some heavy cream. Then I flavor it with some vanilla, bourbon, and some butter.
I'm gonna go in. Hi, Bobby.
What's up, Katie?
Where's the bourbon going?
In the caramel.
Even more butter going in.
So I strain the caramel sauce into the bowl, and I add some blackberries. I want a little sort of fresh tartness in there.
Bobby is doing his bourbon caramel ginger sauce. I think it looks really, 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 really rich.
Bobby grabbed pumpkin seeds, which I like, by
I
the
like
way.
that. And it
So-
looks like he's toasting some pecans as well.
I'm gonna crush these, and I'm gonna make kind of like a snickerdoodle mix. So it's got some chili powder, cinnamon, and some ground ginger.
A little chili in
This
there.
is my look of surprise when Bobby uses spice in desserts.
We need a pomegranate cilantro relish to go on top, and then all Bobby Flay flavors will be in one cake.
Keep chatting over there. I got bundt cakes, baby.
Oh, good. Good. They came out. Look at them.
Look at those things. I pour the blackberry and ginger caramel in the middle of the bundt cake and then sort of let it spill over a little bit, and then I sprinkle it with the snickerdoodle crunch.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bobby, have another shot of that bourbon because you're gonna need it when you lose.
Woo.